Hollard has insurance businesses throughout South Africa, Australia and New Zealand. They started from humble beginnings in 1999 and have grown to over 600 employees in Australia and New Zealand. We're here talking to Greg Browne, who is the AP Manager for the Hollard Group, about his journey and experience with ProSpend.
My name is Greg Browne. I've been AP Manager with Hollard for almost 7 years now. And over 5 years at that time, we have been using ProSpend. And like ProSpend, Hollard tries to be customer focused, innovative, and delivering on our commitments.
Greg, when did you start with ProSpend and what was the reason for so?
We started using ProSpend in 2017, and it was a much needed automation for us. Previous to that, we were still using paper-based submissions, stapling receipts, a lot of administration involved. So obviously the benefits for us were immediate for both users submitting their expense claims and for people processing the other end.
So what do you think was the main benefits for your travellers and your employees?
Well, one of the main things that everyone loved immediately was being able to use the app. So they could be out, they could be entertaining, they could take a photo of their receipt and they can literally make their expense claim on their phones. So it wasn't just a whole new system for us, it was an on-the-go, on-the-move, end-to-end processing system. And even approvers could jump in and approve, so it was just game-changing for us.
And did you find ProSpend flexible enough for the group?
Absolutely. And Hollard, we do have several different entities, and each entity has its own needs and requirements that are slightly different. And what's been great about ProSpend is they've really been able to customise each entity for each need that we have. So it's been really cool too.
Excellent. So out of all of the features, what do you think has been the greatest enabler for your people?
One of the great features that we've just recently implemented was our automated travel feed. So what that means is when we book our travel for our travel provider, that the transactions get fed automatically through to ProSpend, and then all we need to do is double check all the details and submit. So that means we can now process a huge amount of travel invoices in one go, and it's very automated, very quick, very efficient.
Hey Greg, what's on the horizon for the Hollard Group?
Well, it's been a huge period of growth for us. We recently just onboarded a new entity, Hollard Insurance Partners. So that's seen us double in size. We'll soon be moving to big offices. So lots of changes on the way.
Hey Greg, that's really exciting and we love working with innovative companies like yourselves. So we've got some pretty exciting stuff this year too, like our company virtual cards and a payments module that's coming out. So we'll be working closely with you again this year.